It's going to be a quick video update in reference to Bitcoin and the active trades we're in. Right now, Bitcoin is currently getting rejected at our level 88,478. And let's just see what happens here. And if it breaks above, possibly get a retest here and then comes up, this would not be good for our shorts. Looking for a rollover anytime now. So we'll see if that happens. This is on the 1 hour time frame. For our BNB, price did come up, started getting support here off of our main level, came up again, broke through the level, and then now currently underneath the level. So for this, I would not be surprised if it were to come up here about 50% and then hopefully come back down. I really want to see it break below this trend line. And of course, if we zoom out, we can see the trend line here leading up to higher time frame. Let's go to the next one. For this, came down, came up, made a lower high, which is good. And now it's balancing right here. I don't want to see this. I want to see it underneath it and getting rejected from this line versus finding support on it. So let's just see if, in fact, price comes down, then possibly gets rejected here. And then we're looking for a break of this level. We break this level, we're in good shape, in my opinion. So this is the level we need to break. So let's go ahead and do this right here. This is the level we need to break. And let's put this in blue. That's the level we need to break. Now let's go to the next one, Ondo. Ondo's still looking okay. We entered here. It came up, retested this level of resistance. This is our liquidity zone. Came up here, tapped it one more time. Right now it's finding support on this level. Once it breaks this level, we're in good shape. So again, we're just waiting. We're waiting to see if it does break. If it comes up and gets in this level, extremely high chance we're going to get stopped out. But we do need to break this level in order for us to maintain 0.9202 for ETH. Same thing here. We do have this level right here. Let's hold down shift, extend this out. We can see that it's currently getting rejected, which is good. This is what we want to see. Once we break this level, then we're in good shape. So once it breaks 2043, we're in good shape. Next one is Pro. This is the one that's extremely high risk. We did enter here. It came up, went and did a lower high, which is good. And now once, hopefully, nobody knows, but if we do break this level, 0.1040, this is what we're looking for as far as the just looking better as far as our short goes. So if it does break this level and you're not in this short, you could possibly enter this short, and then you could have a stop loss of just above this level, or have it up here where we have ours. That's all I got. I do thank you very much. If you have any questions, post it in the VIP chat. Talk to you soon.